Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to create Capital One account online. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for Capital One Open Bank Account Online. And here's the first website over here. Simply tap on this. Now scroll down. We can see this option to open an account. Simply click on this. Now choose the type of account you want and simply click on open now. Open account. Now if you already have account, you can simply log in, so simply click on yes, and if you do not have it, click on no. Now simply click on continue. Enter your name and click on continue. Now enter the email address. Now click on continue. Enter the phone number and simply click on continue. Now enter all your details of your address. Now once you are done with all of this, simply click on continue. Now choose your country of citizenship and click on continue. Now enter your employment details. Now we need to verify our identity. Now simply enter your birth date. Now enter your social security number. And once you are done with all of this, simply click on continue. After which, the verification of our identity will be done. Once you are done with the verification, we need to confirm the terms and conditions. And after that, we can transfer the fund. After which, we need to create our username and password. After that, only we'll be logged in to Capital One interface. So this is all we can do to create or open Capital One online banking account. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.